given the political uncertainty, I can see why there's a focus on certain sectors, and certainly for logistics, despite that uncertainty. You've got the fundamentals there. You've got the transformation of e-commerce. You've got the changing landscape of retail. You've got intensified consumer demands. So as a sector, there's a real need for good quality logistics. The big tech advancements to look out for would be things like autonomous warehouses. There's a benefit for that, obviously, to keep up with the consumer demand with speed. The pros and cons of that would be, whilst you're saving on labour costs, you've got huge capital expenditure in implementing that technology, developing it, maintaining it. There's a balance there between staff and tech to deliver.
The internet has changed people's buying behaviour massively, and I think that within the sector, we're responding to that through making it easier for the consumer to get their product to their house or delivered to their house when they need it, as they need it. So we've got a lot of last mile logistics and a lot of courier companies that are occupying locations much closer to your house, and that just means that they can get the product to you a lot quicker. And the internet and the rise of people's ease of making quicker purchase decisions on the hoof means that is driving a lot of people to store products a lot closer to the consumer.
With regard to tech, there is undoubtedly going to be a big change in the rise of EVs. Certainly, I'm talking about small units, and I'm thinking about Core London with the ultra-low emission zone. We own assets that are within 2 miles of where I am now in the City of London, and the adoption of EVs for light goods vehicles should be significant. That leads into debates about about power capacity. The whole industry power has been a big issue for large units for a long time, but it's definitely an issue for smaller units now.
From our point of view, just keeping an eye on things like power, how we provide power to our buildings and how we ensure that they're future-proof for our customers. You've got to understand more about the usage, the amount of energy you're using, how your customers use the building, and trying to provide, and around sustainability as well and efficiency. So trying to provide your customers with more information as to how they can more efficiently use their building, which hopefully will go to their bottom line and should ultimately create a happier customer.